Hi guys, I'm Elaine Ball. I'm here with TopoDOT TV today at InterGEO 2018. So it is day 2 of the InterGEO conference, and we're here on the TopoDOT stand with the huge pillar that you have to come and see. So yesterday was our first day at InterGEO conference. We are here in hall 12.0 on stand D90, and we are showcasing the TopoDOT Point Cloud processing software. So this is aimed at mainly road and rail corridor, so the transportation market. However, it is really good with anything to do with point clouds. We're very nichely focusing it on the transportation corridor market. So what does the product actually do? It's a point cloud extraction tool. So you literally can extract information from the point cloud data, and that can be used in multiple things, from construction to architecture to anything that's related to giving you some information. So we're here today to talk to people from CAD technicians who are using the TopoDOT software or are interested in point cloud extraction, and also we are working with surveyors and management. The great thing about the management guys, when they come along, they want to know actually what it makes them from money perspective. So if they can save money on the budget, how they can reduce time to get projects done. So that is a really key thing from the TopoDOT. The other thing I want to just explain is that we've got lots of things rolling out. We have a new forum community page that we're rolling out. So we are really proud that we have a really strong community with the TopoDOT community. So one of the things that we have decided to do is have a forum specifically for TopoDOT. So TopoDOT users, or new to TopoDOT, or you just want to find out about point cloud processing software, you can come to our forum. This is going to be released in the first quarter of 2019. So we'll keep you tuned. Sign up to the newsletter here, maybe, I don't know. So the other things that we're doing is we are launching a certified training program. The certified training program is aimed at companies who have more than 1 or 2 people within the business. I'm holding the training program over in Orlando in Florida. This is aimed at people who want to be trained in-house, who become a certified trainer, who can then train people within the business. The problem that we find with lots of customers, especially the larger organizations, is that the training is passed on. With the certified process that we're rolling out, certified training certificate that we're rolling out, this is actually in beta version now. We've had a couple of people. I would like to mention Gary Nell and Vicky Wasp from GeoCurve. Vicky came over a couple of weeks ago, and she was our guinea pig to make sure that we were right in what we were delivering. So this is going to be really key, especially for the larger organizations and people who want to help train within the business. So that is going to be very key, very paramount for your own company. Now, this is actually not this week, but we have launched a new newsletter. So you look at newsletter, or somebody says, do you want to sign up for a newsletter? And it's really boring. So ours is not boring. So we'll give you a little clip right here. So the newsletter is a comic style. You've probably seen the Professor Topo graphics that we've got here. Generally, software companies are really boring. So we wanted to make sure that we jazz it up and attract it of a nice, colorful brand so it captures your attention. Then you can ask the questions, and we have specific things that are related to that. So that is really key. And overall, we're having a very good week here at InterGEO 2018. And yeah, I'm going to just enjoy the next couple of days and do lots of networking. Thank you very much.